Beat quest, let's start the quest.
Hey friends! Today we're diving into one of the coolest stories in the Bible, David and Goliath.
It's all about being brave, trusting God, and knowing He's bigger than any giant. Let's check it out and stick around for our awesome song at the end. Long ago, the Israelites were at war with the Philistines. The Philistines had a champion named Goliath, a giant so big and scary that no one dared to fight him. But one young shepherd boy, David, wasn't afraid. He told King Saul, "God has helped me fight lions and bears. He'll help me defeat Goliath, too." Goliath laughed at David. "Am I a dog that you come at me with sticks?" he sneered. But David didn't back down. He knew God was with him. David grabbed a stone, put it in his sling, and swung it around. With one perfect shot, the stone hit Goliath right in the forehead. The giant fell with a mighty crash. David didn't win because he was strong, but because he trusted God completely. David's victory reminded everyone that with God, even the smallest person can defeat the biggest challenges.
Be brave, be bold, just like David did of old. With faith, with trust, God helps us. He's our shield and He's our rock. David was small, but his heart was strong. He knew that God was with him all along. Faced a giant big and tall, but he didn't fear, no fear at all. Be brave, be bold, just like David did of old. With faith, with trust, God helps us. He's our shield and He's our rock. Oh, with just a stone and a little sling, David knew God would help him win. When giants come, don't be afraid. God gives us strength each and every day. Be brave, be bold, just like David did of old. With faith, with trust, God helps us. He's our shield and He's our rock. Afraid or small, just remember God's with us all. Be strong, stand tall, and sing this song. With God by your side, you can't go wrong. Be brave, be bold, just like David did of old. With faith, with trust, God helps us. He's our shield and He's our rock. Welcome to Bible Beat Quest.